Warm greetings. Today we're going to talk about atorvastatin. So, if you're on atorvastatin, you might want to hear about what the medicine is about and what precautions you're supposed to take when you're on it, right? Let's begin. The first one is the what. So, as we know, atorvastatin it comes in a lot of brands actually. The most common ones being Lipitor, Atorvas, Tonac, Storvas. These are the most common brands. It's an oral tablet that is taken in the doses of 10 mg, 20 mg, 40 mg, and 80 mg. Why is it given? Basically to reduce the cholesterol. So as we know that piling up of cholesterol is one of the most common causes to develop a heart attack eventually later in life. So a lot of times people are regularly checked up on with their cholesterol levels, and if it's high, this medicine is given, thereby preventing any cardiovascular disease such as heart attacks. The how. So how this medicine works is basically the cycle of cholesterol synthesis is dependent on a few enzymes. Atorvastatin, or for that matter, all the medicines in that group work on that one enzyme, and from that point on reduce the synthesis. Thereby cholesterol is less produced. And it's not a sole treatment for high cholesterol because exercise and diet is very essential. So there are two kinds of cholesterol in layman language. The way we say it is bad cholesterol and good cholesterol. Atorvastatin is known to decrease the bad cholesterol, triglycerides or LDL, and it increases the good cholesterol. Thereby, if you see the ratio of bad to good, they attempt to reduce it. How much to take? This medicine is basically prescribed by your primary care physician, and the dose given is to be taken. It should be used in conjunction with other appropriate lifestyle modifications. I cannot emphasize this enough, but diet and exercise is really important. Apart from that, atorvastatin does not have any recommendations of you're supposed to take it with food or without food. Anyways, it's fine. The only thing that people should make sure of is one, it should not be consumed with grape juice, and here I'm talking like enormous amount, like 1 to 2 liters of grapefruit juice. You should not consume it with that, and more often than not, this is given in the evening. So make sure you take the evening dose only. They have a reason behind that as well. Next, how to take. Atorvastatin tablets are usually taken orally. I mean, that's stated. How to store? It's stored at normal room temperature. Keep away from children. And if you miss a dose, just if you remember it within a few hours only, there's no harm in taking. But otherwise, you can just resume the usual dose without doubling it up. What if you have an accidental overdose? Immediately contact a healthcare professional because it has to be looked at. Okay? So now that we have discussed the hows, the effects I did not pay for. The side effects. Atorvastatin actually does not have a lot of problems. But if you have certain issues like maybe constipation or diarrhea or headache, skin rash that you see has a causality with atorvastatin, that means you take it and then you get it, you can always talk to your physician and we can work that out accordingly. Apart from that, there is one rare but important symptom that every patient should know about, and that is muscle pain. So if you have unexplained muscle pain or weakness with this medicine that was never previously there, or if you started another medicine along with atorvastatin and then you are experiencing some kind of fatigue or unexplained muscle weakness, you have to consult the physician because that has to be catered to. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's a very safe drug. The drug social life, we're talking about interactions here. There is one major interaction, as I mentioned, grapefruit juice. I'll explain why. Apart from that, if you're starting any new prescription or non-prescription drug, it's always safe to just mention that, yes, I am on these medicines. And then once your history is taken, then appropriate medicine is prescribed, right? So if you're started, or often if you're started and you are told that this is the medicine you're on, it's checked. But if you haven't mentioned, make sure you do, and keep in check with the following drugs, that is steroids, or if you're on new antibiotics or heart medicines. Apart from that, herbs, there's St. John's wort that does not work well with this medicine, so talk to your physician. And grapefruit juice, what it does is it basically increases the concentration of atorvastatin. It's an inhibitor. There is a scientific mechanism behind why it actually increases the concentration. So since it does that, its side effects may increase. Too much of the medicine in the body leads to side effects, so toxicity. That's why you may have increased muscle pain or something like that, and that's why you're not supposed to take enormous amounts of grapefruit juice. Or even if you're taking just, like if you're even drinking a glass, will do no harm. Make sure you have an hour gap like between them, right? The warnings and precautions. Tell your doctor if you have any muscle pain, as I mentioned before. Also inform if you're pregnant, because this medicine does seem to have certain repercussions when taken during pregnancy. So it is very important that you are either expecting or already are pregnant, okay? Or if you have any concomitant conditions, that like you have a history of any other medical illnesses, heart disease, liver disease, kidney problems, or any muscular genetic disease in your family, make sure keep it all in front of the physician before starting on the medicine. Lastly, the nerdy nub to take away from here. Along with atorvastatin, these are the few things that every physician will often recommend, so keep it in mind. A change in diet to control weight and reduce cholesterol, so the fatty things have to be kept aside, because you are being given a medicine to reduce the cholesterol. So we do want to make sure that the ingestion is also less. Reduce intake of saturated fats, increase fiber, exercise is important. Also mention to the physician in case you are a person who exercises a lot. That way also we have to see. And smoking and alcohol, if I've not mentioned before, has to be reduced or even possibly quit, because they can also have certain interactions with the medicine. So these are the few things that you need to keep in mind when you're on atorvastatin. Otherwise, it's a pretty harmless drug. One thing to remember is nighttime medicine. Next, if you have any muscle pain, just beware. Plus grapefruit juice, something you want to avoid, okay? So with that, I will be signing off. Yours sincerely, the Nerd.